2 diameters, 1 pass, 0 drama. This is Enduro's dual-diameter cleaning pig, engineered for pipelines where diameters change and debris never lets up. When your line steps from a larger OD to a smaller OD, most pigs stall or shred. Ours flex, seal, and keep moving, pushing wax, scale, and construction debris out of the line with confidence. Built with Urcast urethane and decades of field-proven design, every dual-diameter pig can be configured with brushes, magnets, or gauge plates to match your pipeline conditions. We size it, spec it, and ship it fast, backed by the experts in our dedicated pipeline cleaning pig division. Competitors may copy the shape, but they can't match the people, service, or pride behind every Enduro pig, and the results speak for themselves. At the end of the run, you'll see it, a ton of debris driven out, leaving your line clean and ILI ready. Dual diameter cleaning done right. Get your quick quote at enduropls.com/quick quote or browse our industry standard setting. Cleaning pigs at enduropls.com/cleaning.